Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday. We have gone to church, the service is over, and fellowship begins. So at this point, we are driving home. Make sure you drink it. Don't just take the word of God without drinking from it. Take the word of God, drink from it, and allow the Spirit to increase more of you. God bless you. I love you. I remain your brother, Pastor Onyekachi. Bye. This is Indian yam. Oh my goodness. How much kg? Huh? Give it 200. Should I buy bread? You have onion, right? So, hmm. I love you forever. I love you forever. Maybe you are the talk, oh. Now God are the talk to, but I love you forever. Even till God come, I will follow you. Go heaven together. Hello, guys. Today is Sunday afternoon. We just came back from church, and my queen want to eat yam and fish. So we branched somewhere. Magically, we got an African Indian yam. Yeah, you see that? So I'm going to use this small knife to do some magic on this yam. So let's go, guys. How may I be a help? Yes, sir. Adha, please put something that your siblings can watch. Based on how you